an event that over the years we've helped out the west side, south suburbs, west suburbs, sharing our gift.
Good morning, brothers and sisters. This administration cannot thank you enough. Every year, this gets bigger and bigger.
I'm very grateful to be here today, and I want to thank all of you for the good work you're about to do.
On behalf of the Contractors Association, we want to express our appreciation for everybody coming out and making a huge difference in many lives.
On behalf of the Building Together, the board, the staff, we're really excited about today. It's going to be some great weather today, so we're going to put a lot of smiles on a lot of people's faces.
It seems simple to us for what we do, because it's what we do every day. But to these people that can't afford a union electrician, they can't afford the quality of just having security lighting in their house, you're going to make that happen today.
We've been doing Rebuilding Together for quite a few years. It's rewarding to come out here and give back our knowledge, our skills.
This involvement right here with having Sisters of IBEW Local 134 present is just huge.
When I heard of Rebuilding Together, I didn't know what to expect, but they've exceeded my expectations.
Today, we have bags lined up with addresses, with material lists. We have pre-inspections to make sure that we're prepared so that everybody has the little things that they may need to get the jobs done efficiently.
It can be very difficult at times to be able to tackle big challenges with the home, and to be able to have people here who are able to help and support me with that, and my family as well. That's just a big blessing.
I've been doing rebuild for approximately 20 years. We repiped the whole garage, added a few lights and outlets, and fixed the kitchen electric.
We're giving all of the homeowners a safe, secure electrical system. Anything from a simple outlet swap to new ceiling fans, sump pump outlets to make sure that their homes are safe, secure, and dry.
They have done tremendous work. They're going to make my life easier. They're going to enable me to stay in my home for the rest of my life.
Showing that we are here for one another, that we give back to our community, that we strengthen our numbers, but that at the most part, having that thrill and that achievement and that fulfillment that we're giving back to the community.
We're gonna go volunteer. Like, this is what we do. We are here to make sure as we move forward, we continue to reach back.
Has been a rewarding experience, and I found out that it's really real. It's like having a birthday all over again in presents. So this is a beautiful birthday present for you.
All of it is helpful. All of it is appreciated, and I thank each and every one of them.
We're going to make a difference today in a lot of homes and a lot of people's lives.
The people who you're going to help today appreciate your good work. The communities that they are members of, and all of the people of Cook County. Thank you so much for your good work. I appreciate it.